Hey folks, what are you using to keep your phone dry and out of the rain for protection? There's many different kinds of expensive covers like outer boxes and stuff you can get for your iPhone or Android phone. What I'm using, finding very convenient and affordable, are just 1 quart freezer bags. Now that's an upgrade from your typical sandwich bag. This is a heavier mill plastic. And you can get these reclosable ones or the slider ones. I think the reclosable ones like this with the seam are more water resistant than the slider, which seems like it's got a lot of gappage. But anyhow, that's what I do. I just fold this up and put it in my pocket. And if my pant leg gets wet, this keeps the phone dry. But again, you've got to go for the freezer style bags, as it's a thicker plastic, it's more rugged plastic. Post your comments below about what you're using for a budget, do-it-yourself tip in keeping your phone dry when it's raining, sleeting, or snowing outside. Thanks for watching.